Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with a Walmart fall haul. I was supposed to be filming a Old Navy fall haul for you guys, but the items that I ordered from the 50% off sale, the delivery got delayed. I panicked and I went to Walmart's website and I ordered a few items to share with you guys. Thank God Walmart delivery is just 2 to 3 days in my location. I have so many items to share with you guys from a new brand called Heart and Crush. Well, new to Walmart website, I think. Dreamers by Debo, and I have a few items from the Eloquii Elements holiday collection also to share with you guys. If you want to see what I got, please continue to watch, but if you're new here, please consider to hit the subscribe button down below and follow me on all my social media. First up are these Eloquii Elements wide calf boots, and I have them here in a size 8.5. I did size up half size from my usual size 8 just to accommodate socks during the winter time. This is also available in black, but I have it here in the chocolate color and the price is $38, which is a good price point for a knee-high boots. So these boots have a suede material and it has a rounded toe, padded insole, which is super comfortable, and I love that the sole of these also are non-slip. It's a block heel, super comfortable to walk in, and I absolutely love the knee-high length of these boots. Knee-high length boots are very on trend this fall. I know that we love our over-the-knee boots, but knee-high length is also very trendy. This has a inner zipper, a stretchy panel here, so also on the inner side, which is amazing. I like that it's not on the outside for everybody to see, and the material is super soft. I'm not too fancy about the color. I think the color looked different online, but I don't totally hate it, and for the price point, I highly recommend these boots. You could definitely dress them up with some skirt and some stockings, or you could wear it with your favorite skinny jeans just to tuck it in. This is just such a versatile boot, and I highly recommend them to you guys. I am wearing a extra large in this tiered layer dress from Time and Sure, and the price is $19.98. This is available in 5 other colors, but I have it here in black because who doesn't love a black dress for the fall and winter time? It has a rounded neckline, a slit going down the front, and it has 3 brass buttons going down the bust area also, and I like that feature. It gives the dress such a pop. It has long sleeve which has elasticized cuff, and the sleeves on these are cut very generously, so it's very roomy and it fits perfectly on my bigger arm. It's also roomy in the midsection, and this is a corduroy material, so it's super soft to the touch, and it has tiered layer going down and ruffles also. This meets me a little bit above my knee, so it's not too short, and I styled it in this haul with some thigh-high boots, but you definitely wear it with some sneakers. You could wear it with mules, or you could wear it with some knee-high boots also. This is the perfect dress also for Christmas time. You could definitely add a belt around the waist and dress it up with some nice accessories for Christmas. They also have this in a buffalo plaid print, which is perfect also. I love that print for Christmas time, so I'm definitely gonna style this during the Christmas and holiday season, and I highly recommend this dress to you guys. Next up is this Heart and Crush sweater dress, and I'm wearing a 3XL and the price is $30. This is also available in oatmeal and rust, but I have it here in this beautiful olive color, which is perfect for fall, and this goes up to a 4XL, which who doesn't like more size availability. It has a half zip feature in front, a collar, which is very on trend. This half zip feature in front overall is on trend for sweater dresses and sweaters, so I definitely had to pick this up when I saw it. It has long sleeve which has a wider cuff, and the material on this is a soft rib material, and it does have cable knit accents throughout on this sweater. It's super roomy in the midsection, and it meets me a little bit below my knee, so it's not too short. But when I put this dress on, I wasn't liking how it fit in my stomach area, so I did add a belt on the waist, and then I love this dress, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. I'm also gonna link the belt down below because I purchased it from Walmart last year, but I think it's still available. If not, I'll find more options. This is a sweater dress that you could dress up or dress down, and it is a medium weight, so you could definitely carry this over to winter time. Next up is this free assembly double-breasted blazer, and I'm wearing a extra large, and the price is $50. This is available in yellow and a green plaid color, and I feel like the green plaid color will be perfect for the holidays. But I have it here in this black and white plaid print. It has two peak lapels in front, a V neckline, and it's a double-breasted closure blazer, and I absolutely love the gold buttons on these blazer. It also have two flap pockets, and it has a pocket at the chest area, and the material on this is a 99% cotton material, and it does have 1% spandex, so it's definitely not stretched, and it's lined inside. The sleeves are long, and it also has 3 non-functional buttons at the cuff. And the problem with this blazer, guys, it's a little bit tight on me, I think because of the lining, but I'm definitely gonna keep it because I'm just absolutely obsessed with it. I did style it with my favorite Terra and Sky jeans, but you could definitely wear this over a dress. You could wear it with some skirt. It's just such a classic blazer, and I highly recommend you guys pick this up before it's sold out. I am wearing a extra large in this sweater from 99 Jane Street, and the price is $19.97. This is available in a cinnamon spice color, but I have it here in this sand and chili green color. This is a brand that I stumbled up on while browsing on Walmart's website, so I wanted to give them a try. This sweater has a polo collar, a V neckline which is not cut too low, and polo collars are very on trend for fall. If you like a preppy look, then you're definitely gonna love this sweater. It has long sleeve which has a ribbed cuff, and it's also very soft to the touch. The material is a knit fabric, and it's super lightweight, definitely not a heavy sweater. It's a good length on me, and at the end we also have the rib detail going around, and we do have a slit at the side for venting, which I always appreciate with my apple shape. A few cons about this sweater, guys. When I took it out the package, it smelled so bad. I was wondering, did I get this from Shein? But no, it was from Walmart, but who knows where this sweater was made, so just keep that in mind. I did have to air it out a little bit. Overall, I do love this sweater, and I love that it's not a heavyweight sweater. It's perfect for fall. You could definitely wear it with some jeans, you could wear it with some skirt, or you could wear it over your favorite leggings also. This is just such a cute sweater. I styled that polo collar sweater with these No Boundaries mom jeans, and the price is $17.98. This is available in 3 other washes, but I have it here in black. It's a high-rise mom jeans, which I do appreciate because it's gonna hold my stomach in, and the waistline is super stretchy. This is a cotton spandex blend, so it's super stretchy. Love that about this jeans. It also has pockets in the front and pockets in the back. It's a 5-pocket styling, and it does have a zip fly and a button closure. This is a solid black denim, so there's no wash, and it meets me about at my ankle, and it does have a straight hem. Guys, I did purchase this in my usual size 20, and it did fit, but it was a little bit tight in the waist, and I wanted a little bit of room, so I did go ahead and exchange it for the size 22, and I love the fit of this. This is a denim that's very versatile. You could wear it with some boots, you could wear it with mules, or you could pair it with some sneakers also. Next up are these Time and True sweatshirt, and I usually purchase them in a extra large, and the price is $12.98. These are available online in a pack of 2 for $25.96, so I'm gonna have that option linked down below. And as you guys could see, I'm obsessed with these sweatshirt. I have it in yellow, I have it in olive, and I have it in black also, and I love to wear these to work. It has a crew neckline, a drop shoulder long sleeve which has a cinched cuff, and it has a rib material at the cuff also, and it's very roomy in the midsection. I love the high-low detail on this sweatshirt, and it's a little bit longer in the back, you see guys, and it does have the side venting and the rib material going around the hem also. I highly recommend these. I like to wear them to work, as I said, with my dress pants. I like to style them with leggings, and I also style these with jeans also. They're just so versatile and a must-have for fall. I am wearing a 3X in this Heart and Crush sweater, and the price is $22.50. This is available in 3 other colors, but I'm wearing it here in black. It has a crew neckline, long sleeve, which are super stretchy, and it does have a ribbed cuff which is fitted. I absolutely love this ruffle details going around the shoulder. It's just so cute and girly. And by the way, this sweater does go up to a 4XL in case you need a bigger size. It's also very soft. It's a acrylic nylon blend material, and it's super soft to the touch. This is a very cozy sweater. I absolutely love it, and I love that this is long. It's definitely not cropped, and it has the rib material at the end of the sweater. You could definitely style this with your favorite skirt, which is how I styled it in this haul. I put it in my skirt, I tucked it in, but you could definitely wear it with your favorite jeans. You could wear it with leggings also because it's long enough. It's just such a cute sweater for fall. I styled that black sweater with this time and true mini skirt, and I'm wearing a extra large, and the price is $24.50, but it's currently on sale for $20. This is also available in white, but I have it here in navy. I did purchase this skirt during the summertime, and I was so sad that I didn't get to share it with you guys, but I'm so happy it's still available. It has a very stretchy waistline. There's a stretchy panel in the back, and it does have a self-tie string in front, so you could make it a little bit tighter in the waist. This also has tiered layer going all the way down, and each layer of tiered have like a ruffle details going around, which is super cute. This is just such a girly skirt. I absolutely adore it. This is a mini skirt, so it meets me above my knee, but I did go ahead and pair it with my favorite stockings, which is how I'm gonna wear it for fall and winter. So I just love how you could wear this in the summertime, and you could also wear it in fall and winter. Just so cute, and I think you guys should definitely grab this skirt. Next up is this cardigan from Heart and Crush, and I'm wearing a 2XL, and the price is $22.50. This is available in lilac, but I have it here in this burnt orange color, and it's available in sizes 1XL to 4XL. It has a V neckline, functional buttons going down the front, so this cardigan could be worn open or closed. I think in this haul I did style it closed, and I love the button details on this cardigan. It's like the same orange as the cardigan. It also has long sleeve which has a ribbed cuff, and I absolutely love these cute textured bubble detail all over the sweater. It's a 100% cotton material, and it's super soft to the touch, and it's a good length, this cardigan, and it has a ribbed hem also. This is super cute. I did style it with my favorite pleated skirt from No Boundaries, but you could definitely wear this with your favorite leggings. You could wear it with jeans. You could dress it up or dress it down. I am wearing a extra large in this hoodie from Time and True, and the price is $14.98. This is available in 7 other colors, but I have it here in black. I'm not usually one to wear a hoodie, but I wanted a hoodie the other day to style with something, and I didn't have it, so I went out and I got this one from Walmart, and it's such an affordable price point. Of course, it has a hood, 2 drawstrings in front, and it has a silver zipper going all the way down the front, and it has 2 pockets on the side, and I love my clothing to have pockets to store as much stuff as I can in them. It's a long sleeve which has a ribbed banded cuff, and it also has a ribbed banded hem at the end of the sweater, and the material inside is a fleece material on this hoodie, so it's super warm and perfect for fall. It's also really long, so it covers the butt. You could definitely style it with some jeans. You could wear it with some leggings, and also you could wear this under your favorite blazer or your favorite wool coat, which is how I wanted to style it. So definitely pick this up. I am wearing a 3X in this sweater from Dreamers by Debo, and this is a new brand that Walmart is carrying online, and the price is $24.98. This is also available in a camel color, but I'm wearing it here in this black and white print. It has a polar collar, which is very trendy for fall, and I'm sure it's going to carry over to winter. A V neckline, which is not cut too low, and I love the drop shoulder on this sweater. It also has large oversized sleeve, and it has a ribbed cuff. It's very roomy throughout and it's super soft to the touch. This is a cozy material and I love the diamond shape on this sweater. Very unique. It's also super long and oversized and I love the rib knitting going all the way around the hem on this sweater, and it has a venting which is perfect for my shape. This is perfect to wear with skirt. You could wear it with some denim or you could pair it with your favorite leggings. I think this is one of my favorite sweater from the haul and I'm definitely gonna pick it up in the camel color. I styled that oversized sweater with this Eloquii Elements flounce faux leather skirt and I'm wearing a size 20 and the price is $32. This is also available in red and this skirt is from the Eloquii Elements holiday collection. It has a very stretchy waistline. There's actually a stretchy panel in the back, so this is very comfortably at the waist, and it does have a zip closure in the back down the center of the skirt. This is a soft leather material, super soft, so very good quality, and it's lined inside with a different material, so you're definitely not gonna sweat. It also has the flounce detail going around the hem of the skirt, but overall I wasn't a fan of this skirt, how it fits. My stomach was on full display, and I know that I'm an apple shape, but usually skirts like these are very cute on me, but this one, it's a no-go. So be forewarned, if you're apple shaped like me, your stomach is gonna be on full display. You could wear a longer sweater, which is what I did in this haul, but I'm definitely gonna return this skirt. Next up is this Eloquii Element sparkle sweater cardigan and I'm wearing a size 18-20 and the price is $32. This is from their holiday collection and this cardigan just screams the holiday. It's just so cute. It has a V neckline, functional buttons going all the way down the front, and the buttons on this cardigan is just so classy and unique. It also has a puff sleeve which is slightly oversized, and it does have a cinch cuff which has the rib material going all the way around. Throughout this sweater it has this shiny metallic threading and it's super sparkly in person. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but this is a sparkly cute holiday sweater. It's also very long, it's not too cropped, and it does have the rib material going all the way around. If you're looking for a more oversized look, I would definitely size up in this cardigan, but I like this fit on me. This is just so cute. I styled it with some sequin pants in this haul, but you could definitely style this with some faux leather pants or some dress pants for the holidays. I styled that cardigan with this Eloquii Eloquent sequin pants and I'm wearing a size 20 and the price is $40. This is also available in rose gold, but I have it here in the black sequin color. It has a very stretchy waist, super stretchy. Maybe I could have sized down for a more fitted look, but I think this fits me perfectly. It has two pockets on the side and it's hidden and it's super long. This is very long. I had to wear it with heels and it was still long, guys, so keep that in mind. I'm 5'6" for reference. It also has a flare leg, and what I like about this sequin pants is that it's fully lined inside, so it's definitely not gonna be itchy. This is the perfect holiday pants and I'm telling you guys, get this before it's sold out, because by the time November or December roll around, this is definitely gonna be sold out, and it's an affordable price point for a sequin pants. Lastly is this sequin wrap dress from the Get, and I'm wearing a extra large and the price is $48. I did size down from my usual 3XL after reading the reviews online, but I wish I stuck with the 3XL just for a more comfortable fit, so keep that in mind. It has a V neckline, a surplus wrap detail in front, and this is a faux wrap dress, so you don't have to worry about keeping this together, but it does come with a self-tie string at the waist in case you want to cinch your waist a little bit more. It has long sleeve which has a elasticized cuff, and this is a heavyweight sequin dress, but it's fully lined, so you're not going to feel the sequin on your body. It's a mini dress also. It meets me a little bit above my knee, and this is perfect for the holiday season. You could definitely style this with some black heels. You could wear it with some silver heels, or if you're not a heel person, you could definitely wear this with some cute flats also, and this is just going to be such a look for the holiday. This dress is selling out very quickly online. I don't know if it's going to be sold out by the time I post this video, but I'm going to post the Eloquii Element version of this dress also, which is super cute. This is just going to be my go-to dress for the holiday season. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment down below which pieces were your favorite. Also, check me out on the community tab here on YouTube and the Like to Know It app. I do post outfit ideas and restock alert, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Open eye.